Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to see who liked you on Happn. So the first thing you have to do is to open your Happn app, and your homepage will look something like this. Here you can see the new profiles, and if you tap on the heart on the bottom right corner of the screen, it will take you to this screen that show you who likes you on Happn. But let me be clear, if you don't have Happn Premium, all the photos of the people who like you will be blurred and you won't be able to see who liked you on Happn. So the only way to know exactly who liked you on Happn is to subscribe to Happn Premium. For that you have to go to your profile, click on Premium, and then select the option you want to subscribe. You can subscribe for 3 months, 6 months, etc. Then you put your credit card information and you continue following the next steps. If the video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.